Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do an affordable prom makeup tutorial, so if you like what you see then please keep watching. To start off I'm going to use the Berry M Colour Correcting Primer, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Shine Killer. The combination of both of these are amazing and it makes your makeup last all day. I'm going to go in with the Illuminator. It's not a primer, but it's just basically an illuminator that brightens up your skin, and it's really good to put underneath your foundation and it gives you sort of a natural glow, so it's amazing. For foundation I'm going to use these two Iconic London pigment sticks. I like to mix these together because I find that the combination of both of these makes my foundation look amazing and the colour is just perfect. So I'm just spreading it evenly around my face, both of them. It looks quite funny, and yeah, I just like the consistency and they're just amazing. I'm then going to grab the Iconic London Pro Evo brush, and this is the buffing one. It is, oh my god guys, once you use it, I just don't think there's like going back. It's amazing. It makes your foundation look absolutely flawless. It doesn't pick up too much product, so your makeup looks like how you put it on basically, but it looks flawless. And it's so quick and easy to use. It's just amazing. I love it. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. And then I'm just going to pop this on parts of my face where I like to conceal, because you guys know that all I do is use this concealer. And then I'm going to use that same buffing brush to buff that into my skin. For contour, I'm going to use the Iconic London contour stick. This one was a little bit orange for me, and I might have put a little bit too much on, but I blend it back out with the buffing brush afterwards, so it sort of goes all seamless. But don't stress out too much at first, because I know I do put a lot on, which, I don't know, I think I got carried away because it's so fun. It's like painting your face. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And then I'm going to grab the Pro Evo Sculpt brush, and this is really good for when you contour, because it gets to all the angles of your face. And it just blends out amazingly. So I'm just going to buff that in to my skin. That rhymed. And then you guys will see what I mean. I did put a little bit too much on, but it's alright, because like I said, I'll go back with the buffer brush afterwards and blend it all in really seamless. The forehead was very orange, I'm not going to lie. I think, yeah, I did get a bit carried away, but as you can see here, I'm going back with the buffer brush, and it blends it all in really nicely, because that's still got a tiny bit of the foundation on, so blending it together gives it such a flawless finish. It's just amazing. I love these contour sticks so much. They're just amazing. And then to set that, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I'm going to focus on my concealer, and then I'm going to use some of that product to powder the rest of my face, just so I'm not too shiny or anything, and it's all set in place for the rest of the day basically. That's what you gotta do. So once that's done, I'm just going to set the contour with some powder contour over the top. This one's from BH. You can use any one of your choice, but this was the one I picked out from my drawer. And I'm basically just going to go over the contour from before. So yeah. For eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to prime them. I'm going to buff that in with the Beauty Blender, then set that with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. For eyes, I'm going to use this BH Shimmer palette, which is absolutely beautiful. You guys will love it. I'm going to grab this light purple and focus that on my crease and blend that colour outwards. There is a little bit of fallout, but it's really easy to clean up. What am I trying to say? The next two colours, I'm going to focus on the outer V and my crease, and then just to darken that up a little bit, I'm just going to add the contour and then go back with the thick buffing brush and blend all of that really seamlessly together. I'm going to spray a brush with some oh my god, I can't talk. From some Urban Decay setting spray. Oh my god, guys, I lost my words then. And I'm going to grab this shimmer colour. I forgot to actually add it into the video, but it is the shimmer colour. It's the lightest one in the palette. So I'm basically just buffing that in, and then I'm going to go in with this Moon Dust. Well, it's like a liquid eyeshadow basically. I know it's from Urban Decay, and I know I did say it's an affordable prom makeup, but this was the only one I had, and I just wanted it to be in my crease to accentuate the crease a little bit. But yeah, you can use any one of your choice. And then I'm going to grab some eyeliner. This is just from NYX. It's just the NYX liquid liner, which is my absolute fave. And I'm just doing a wing. After that, I'm going to grab my Telescopic mascara from Loreal, which is, oh, I can't talk, again, is one of my favourites. And then for lashes, I'm going to use these Lash House UK lashes in the style Kylie. For blush, I'm going to use this blush from BH. It is very pigmented. I just didn't know it was going to be that pigmented. So I'm just going to buff that into my cheeks and blend it in with the contour. For highlighter, I'm going to use the incredible Illuminator drops by Iconic. You guys know that all I do is use these, so there's just no point in explaining how much I love them, because I cannot go a day without using them. I need to grab some more because they are my absolute faves. And I use them for natural makeup, for dramatic makeup, just any makeup. They're incredible. So yeah, I'm just going to buff that in with a beauty blender, make it all seamless. Beauty blender for me, I think, is the perfect way to blend these in, because I've tried to use a brush and it's not as seamless. For liner, I'm going to use this lip liner from BH Cosmetics. I've forgotten the shade of this. I think it said it on the package. So I'm basically just lining my lips, and then I'm going to go in with the liquid lipsticks by NYX in the style, I think it's the shade 16 and 19. The combination of both of these together I think is really pretty. It's not too much, it's quite soft, but it's quite light at the same time. And then I'm going to go back in with the lip liner again, just to make sure everything is all seamless. Then to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So this is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye!